dancing's what I do. I make it in my head. It's something I do every day. The way I connect with the music. I could dance for hours.